Inspiring whiteboard wall quotes for April. Energize your office. If you are looking to refresh your office environment and boost team morale, exploring the best whiteboard wall quotes for April is the perfect place to start. Welcoming spring. Use your whiteboard painted walls to display these uplifting messages about spring and renewal. April is a gentle reminder that life's transformations are beautiful and inevitable. Ellen Lovell. April hath put a spirit of youth in everything. William Shakespeare. Spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is. Jessica Harrelson. Promoting mindfulness. Empower your team with these grounding and restorative words. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James. Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges. Bryant McGill. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Showing gratitude. Dedicate your largest whiteboard painted walls to broadcasting widespread appreciation with these specific impact-focused quotes. Your attention to detail makes a huge difference every single day. Thank you for keeping everything and everyone in sync. Your positive attitude and hard work light up our office every day. Start utilizing your walls today and watch as the right words inspire your workforce to reach new heights throughout the season. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.